Welcome to the Lake Pasadena neighborhood with so much charm. From its brick streets to the unique architecture, this home is the perfect example of such a design. As you enter the home through the double front doors and into the foyer, you will be greeted with a truly spacious open floor plan. The gourmet kitchen features ample counter space for any meal preparation and 8-foot island with quartz countertops and all new stainless steel appliances. The kitchen is open to both the living room and dining room, which makes this space perfect for entertaining guests and family. The living area is located just off the kitchen and boasts floor-to-ceiling windows that fill this home with warmth and natural light everyone will appreciate. There are a total of 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom being located in the rear of the home, including an office space of 12 by 12 with a separate entrance. There is a screened lanai with an insulated roof and new pavers for your outdoor enjoyment. Let's talk about the bones of the home for a moment. The following items have been updated in the past 6 months: roof, electrical system, all internal wiring, plumbing, including sewer lines, hot water heater, impact windows, air conditioning, and heat, vinyl plank flooring, throughout home, pavers, paint inside and out. This is truly move-in ready. The home is located walking distance to St. Petersburg College and just minutes to beautiful St. Pete Beach, shopping and fine dining on the beach or in downtown St. Petersburg.